How to use shortcuts on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use shortcuts on your iPhone to increase your iOS productivity. So for this, you're going to go into your settings tab, and once you go into your settings tab, you're going to tap on your home screen. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to find your home screen and home screen option. We're going to go into our home screen, and this is not our home screen option. We're going to just search for it because we're just going to go into home screen. And after that, you can enable the use app clips to create shortcuts for apps and access them quickly. So we can click on over here, show an app library, add to home screen, app library as well. And if you only add them to your library, you can also click on over here to your newly downloaded apps as well. You can build different shortcuts for your applications on your iOS device. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.